Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle of today's newspaper of Monday, June the 14th, 2021. The last puzzle of this additional is a tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle or Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. Yes. 3. Oh, yes. And this tectonic will be number 2947. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I've already counted 17 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because difficult ones has always 9, 10, 11, 12 printed digits. 17, well, should be an easy one. All right, so let's begin. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. More single boxes? No. Dual boxes? Let me see if there are dual boxes. No. How about triple box? I see here triple box. The 1 and 2 are already filled in, so this should be a 3. More triple boxes? No. Quadra box. I see here quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 there. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Only 1 quadra box? Yeah. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures or construction or structure. For example, this one. Let me draw this. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So it should be the 2 here. The 2. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following figure that you need to recognize. This one. Yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Alright, so let's get starting filling the numbers. Yes. Alright, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, this box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 and those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Apologies. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. I have a double 1 here. So I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Otherwise, I cannot place any 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me see. Those two boxes. Surround the 2 cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Alright. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes. Oh, wait. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Okay. Then. How about Yeah. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place a 4 here because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Well, I cannot place a 1 here because if I place a 1 here, that box should be also a 1. But I have a double 1 there. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. So it must be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box, I've eliminated the 3. So this box should be a 1. Okay. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 1. Okay. 2 and 4, okay. Let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes as a pair in those two boxes. So one box left in this area for the number 1. Yeah. 2, 3. Okay. Let me see. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one number left in this area for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Okay. This box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. This box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. That box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Well, I cannot place a 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Then now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Okay. Those 2 boxes. Wait. I need to wait. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think. Let me see. 1, 2, 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Okay. 1, 2, 5. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. That box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Alright, those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Alright, okay. Let me see. these two boxes cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 3, we have a double 3 there. And this box cannot be a 3, so one box left of 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. One box left in this area for the number 4. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Alright, now we have a 3 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 3. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and then 1 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, I like this one, yes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Should be a 2 star. 2 stars, a puzzle, because for a 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. Yeah, you can subscribe. YouTube will notify you when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel, and you can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudoku, for the heavy Sudoku, for the light Sudokus, for the quintuplets, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all those playlists. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. See you then. Bye bye for now.